Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to cook up some turkey burgers from frozen in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. Now, I've done turkey burgers from frozen in the NuWave Oven Pro before, and that was a pretty popular video, but wait till you see how the NuWave Primo does it. Get ready to be amazed. We're going to get started right now. Alright, so I've got some butterball turkey burgers here, and they're the original seasoned variety. But no matter what flavor you're doing, you cook them all the same. They come in a pack of 3 here, so I'm going to just get these out. Alright, so we got 3 hard frozen turkey burgers here. And I will mention that the popularity of turkey burgers has gone up in this house since the Primo came in. There's more kids saying, "Daddy, make me a turkey burger." The Primo does some good work on it. So basically what I do to start, I just coat the exterior of the burgers with some extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to use my brush to try and coat them real good with the extra virgin olive oil. Let's see if I can get some more on there. Get some more over here. Making a little bit of a mess, but it'll be alright. After I get some extra virgin olive oil on the side of these turkey burgers, then I just take, I've got some applewood smoked sea salt here. I'm just going to take and shake a little of that all over one side of these turkey burgers. Now that that side's done, I just basically take and put them the other side on the grill plate of the NuWave Primo. Flip them over, put them on the grill plate. And you can hold about 4. I'm just doing 3 because one section of a pack comes with 3. So I'm just going to take like some of my excess oil and use that on the opposite side of these turkey burgers. And then I'll just put some more of the applewood smoked salt on this other side to get it coated as well. Alright, so I've got salt and oil on both sides of my turkey burgers. So now I'm going to take the lid for the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. I just set it right on here like this. And this is, I'll tell you, quickest way I've been able to get turkey burgers done in any cooker, for real. So here we go. I turn the NuWave Primo on. I up the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 50% top and bottom heating elements. My cooking time, I leave it the default of 15 minutes, and then I'm just going to hit start, and I'll bring you back in about 10 minutes for a flip. Be ready to be impressed. Alright, there's 5 minutes left. I'm going to pause. And I'm going to open up here. Now it's time to get to flipping. Look at that sear mark on those turkey burgers. Then put the lid back on and just hit start. Let it continue to cook. Alright, we're coming into the final 20 seconds of this cook. I've already got my homemade bread out with my mayo on that bottom part of the bread. I'll put a little ketchup mustard on top, and I've got my instant read thermometer, so I will be checking that temp. I'll put a little Haverty cheese on top and melt that over a little bit as well. So just going to turn that off. Woo, steamy steam. So I'm going to take my instant read thermometer and just try and slide in there good. You can see the temp, very, very hot. It's like 197. That's 15 minutes. This is faster than any other cooker I have used for cooking frozen turkey burgers. I mean, this is faster than even the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven, and how hot it gets trying to cook through some frozen turkey burgers using its hot setting. So you know, this thing just does great work, knocks it out real fast. You can see my cheese is already, you know, starting to come together, melting there. I'm just going to give that another moment. I don't even think I need to turn the thing on because it's so hot. It's, you know, it'll knock that cheese down. But this cooker does a great job. I'm going to, while it's melting that cheese, I'm going to open up for a sec. I just want to show you the opposite side of one of these since I can't flip that one over. You see the nice sear? You see that nice sear there? I mean, that's impressive stuff. So just going to let that melt for another moment and then I'll take it on off. Alright, so my cheese is starting to sizzle. I'm going to take it on off now. Move it on over here onto my plate. I'm just going to put a little of my ketchup. Looks like I'm getting low on ketchup. Kids love ketchup. So throw a little ketchup on there. Throw a little of my mustard on there. And so there we go with some ketchup and mustard on our turkey burger. You'd never know it was frozen. So just going to put that on there. You can see my finished turkey burger. Gonna get the camera adjusted and it's taste testing time. Alright, here's our turkey burger, finished from the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. Let's taste it. It's hot, juicy, and delicious. That's all I gotta say, because I'm getting ready to turn the camera off and finish this burger off. So, frozen turkey burgers turn out great in the NuWave Primo. You got the nice sear marks. I mean, it's just impressive stuff, and you're doing it all indoors. I'm just enjoying it to the fullest. So, you can find this, other recipes, heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You ever want to come directly to this YouTube channel, just go to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram at Wave Oven Recipes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, and be sure to subscribe, and good eating.